say? Hey guys! Hey guys! It's my first day of summer break. Actually, hindi pa nga tapos.
Hindi niya nga pa napapasip paper niya.
You know, yeah. It's just the first day.
I'm wide awake.
Today, pupunta na po kami sa Pampanga talaga. Pumunta na lang tayo.
Ano yung paper, video yun? Hindi pa nga kayo.
Hey guys!
Ako tutorial tayo ng
Miyamo-geya. Miyamo-geya.
This is Japanese.
Ni hao, wo jiao ge. Chinese yun. Chinese ba? Watashi wa anata no alien desu. Watashi wa geya desu. Hindi, watashi wa namae wa. What? Let me put it. Bye.
Anong subject?
We're here. Day one. We're not Yao fans. Pero okay lang. Parang mas prefer lang talaga natin. Prefer PLC. Ang laki na is hard. Para tayo nasa IKEA.
Ito ba tayo magkakaya? Ella, may jet ski ba kayo? I'm ready. Sa Roblox may jet ski. May jet ski ako. Hindi ko pa rin
Hi guys, we're here. We're finally here. Ay wow, ito yung mga santong nakikita natin. Are you locked in? Oh!
Morning, y'all! Morning, y'all! Hindi yung gawin niyo. Magsa-stretching.
Stretching to school din lang. Hey guys.
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, y'all.
Y'all.
Oh my gosh, guys.
It's ang
Wow. It's us again. Maraming Villa more. More Villa. My favorite room na kami. Yeah.
Guys.
Oh my God. Hey guys. Guys, may lyrics na ko. Ayaw mag... What's your name? Pakilala ko muna. Miyamo-geya.
Te amo.
Ay? Te amo. I love you, Geya. Te amo, Ella. My name is. Yun lang alam ko. My name is. Hey! I'm falling, so I'm taking my time over. Oh. I'm taking my time on my ride. Mapigilan mag-isip na baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob mo sa iba. Hi! Bye! Hi ma, nasa TV na ako.
It's gonna be me soon.
Ay! Welcome! Walang magkikwento.
Wait lang, may tanong ako.
We're back! Ganda mag-lock-in dito. Hi guys. What's your name? Hi. What's your name? Pwede mag-Spanish ka? Hola, Miyamo-geya. Tengo 19 años.
Ay, tigil na.
Chamo. Yo sono...
Ay, cut na.
Butterbeer. It's the best, the best. Parang mali. Mali talaga. Kapal na. Shay! That's how you do it. She's driving. Oo. Hi guys, we're here. Smile. Birthday. Let us navigate. Let us.
And thank you for riding Mangada Gallo. The rest.
Welcome to Palawan. Welcome.
The ultimate aquatic Astro all the traffic.
Kami na yung magsasara ng Pradera. It's 9:20. Wala kang celebrity ah! Parang puro dap na lang siya.
3, 2, 1, smile. Bye, house. Bye, house. 3, 2, 1. Diyan lang? Oo. Hey, guys! We're in Bukid. Here's our new housemate.
Hi, I'm Makabebe Carissa.
You're from?
Ako, I'm Makabebe Mayo.
Hey.
The first step of the day.
3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1, smile. Hi.
Hey guys, so we're currently at this magnificent house, and today we are going to eat barbecue, alangka, hot dog, bagoong.
Today's our last day, so yeah. Sobrang sarap, guys. Like, guys, ang sarap ng barbecue, like, masarap kahit walang stick.
Ay, silang sayaw ito ni Ayesha, te.
Adventure!
3
days na kami ditong naglalakad. Ayun, buhay pa naman kami. Hindi ko alam kung kaya pa namin, pero yun, mga 1 week kami ditong naglalakad. Update ko na lang kayo kung buhay pa kami. Okay guys, hanapin na natin yung secret door. 3, 2, 1, smile!
Wala nang nakahawak sa'yo, te.
Babalik!
Mag-grow siya. Hindi wala siya nahihawak na.
Gaya!
Pag ganito?
Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bye guys, we're in Katip. Bye!